Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Notion for managing your craft projects. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. Our first step is to set up your Notion workspace, which is like your digital craft room. You want to create a new page for your project, title it accordingly, and add it to your sidebar for easy access. This is crucial because it keeps all your project details in one place, making it super easy to track your progress and stay organized. Now that we've done that, let's add some tables. Select Table from the Blocks menu and create one for your project materials. Include columns for item names, quantities, and sources. This helps us because it ensures we have all the necessary materials at hand and we can easily track where we got them from or where to buy more if needed. Next up, we're creating a timeline for your project. Just like a calendar, this will help you visualize your project timeline and stay on track. Click on Timeline from the Notion blocks, set start and end dates for each task, and add any important notes. The reason we do this is to avoid missing any crucial steps or deadlines, ensuring your project runs smoothly from start to finish. Now that we have a timeline, let's organize our tasks. Create a Kanban board and categorize your tasks into different stages like to do, in progress, and completed. Drag and drop tasks as they move through these stages. This is important because it gives you a clear visual overview of your progress and what needs to be done next. Finally, let's add some galleries. This feature allows you to add images related to your project, which can be incredibly helpful for visual crafts. Just click on Gallery from the Blocks menu and start uploading your images. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of your project, which can be especially useful for complex crafts or when you need to share your work with others. So there you have it. You are now fully equipped to use Notion for managing your craft projects. With these tools in place, you can stay organized, keep track of your progress, and make your craft projects a breeze. And that's a wrap for this tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and happy crafting.